Sveiki visiem! Hello everyone! Welcome to Latvian Easy School. I'm here happy to announce that we have developed a new program for all of you who speaks English as your second or first language to learn Latvian. We are here to make sure that it's fun, flexible way to learn. It's totally online and we have developed program for all of you interested in Latvia, Latvian language, Latvian culture, for any need necessary to reach A2 level. And are you curious already? If not, I hope this video will make you more curious. If you're not sure where to start, this school is very good. Why? Because all the classes are online. You can learn on your own pace. You don't have to go to the group. You don't have to adapt to other people's schedules. You can adapt the school to your schedule. There is 10 chapters what you will be able to learn from, and those chapters will have different information in them. And this program will help you to develop the language skills up to A2 level. Of course, if you only put 1 hour in learning, you will not go far. If you put several hours a week in learning, that's where we want you to be at. You will be learning on your own pace, but there will be some tests, and these tests will give you also the feedback from the program curator, program teacher, which will help you to understand where you're at in your learning. The program consists of 10 chapters, and the first chapter we call Zero chapter. It's just the introduction to the program, an introduction to Latvia, Latvian history, what to do in Latvia, and everything Latvian. I'm very passionate about my country. I hope everyone loves it as much as I do. But what we have done, we start with basics, how to pronounce sounds, how to pronounce letters in Latvian. Is it the same as in English or in any other language? Is it or is it not? You'll learn in the first day of learning. You'll go to the first class, you'll listen to me talking to you, and then you'll be able to do different tasks accordingly to the program or accordingly to the topic. After learning how to pronounce the basic letters in Latvian, how to pronounce basic things, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves, how to say hello, sveiki, or if I need to be more polite, labdien, labrīt, labvakar. We'll learn about family, and also we'll do tests. After every chapter, at the end of the chapter is a test. This is the time when the curator will help you. You'll do the test on your own time, on your own, anything on your own. But if you really will feel that you cannot do this test and you don't understand the topics well enough, we'll be here to help you. And so you will go through many topics. For example, you'll learn different nouns in Latvian, how the endings in the nouns change, because it does. It's not the same as in English. We'll learn demonstrative pronouns. For example, how to say, what is that? Kas tas ir? Where are you? Kur tu esi? Kas tas ir? Tā ir krūze. And again, a test at the end. Then we'll learn one of the most important verbs in Latvian and in any, I think, language which has verbs is to be, būt. You'll learn how to say where you're from. You'll learn professions. You'll learn basic sentences, what you need in your everyday life. How to order coffee, how to go to the doctor, what to say when your tummy hurts, when your head hurts, when you have, insomnia. And things like that. You'll learn also numerals, numbers, how to say I like, man patīk, I like for the food, man garšo. Also time, dates and seasons, and so on. So you will go through many chapters and many tests, because testing, so you would see your progress. And at chapter 10, you'll have the exam. You'll learn what exam is for A2 level in Latvia. I will guide you through it, and we will also see here in 33 pages, how does it look? So you see, A2 level is the second step. A1 is the first step, but A1, nobody goes for that exam because A2 is the requirement in Latvia. So this is what we're gonna do. So I will guide you with the videos. I will help you stress-free way to learn Latvian language, and we'll see your steady progress. Why to choose Latvian Easy School is very simple. It's interactive and engaging. Our lessons are designed to be fun and practical. You'll learn through video lectures, interactive exercises and quizzes that keep things interesting while learning also. You'll have time to learn on your own pace. You don't have to adapt to others. You'll have personalized feedback after the tests, and what will you learn is the basic conversation, practical vocabulary, cultural insights, and grammar is made simple for you. So for whom this program is designed? So you don't have to have previous knowledge, so no previous knowledge is required. You don't have to know anything about Latvian to get started. A few basic words like sveiki, hello, and paldies, thank you, can help you, but we'll take it from there. We'll have a practical focus on phrases and vocabulary you'll actually use, so you can start speaking with confidence already right away. We'll support you. And are you ready to get started? Learning Latvian doesn't have to be complicated, or it doesn't have to be difficult. With Latvian Easy School, you'll have everything. You'll have the tools you need to get started and make steady progress in a way that works for you. So join us today and let's start learning Latvian the easy way, at your own pace, with support from us and a lot of fun along the way. Looking forward to see you in our groups. Looking forward to see that you're interested and have questions. So good luck and ta-ta!